Hello, welcome back. This week I was wondering what to talk to you about, and I was reviewing an old post from April 25th called How to Turn Your Value into a Business for the World. And there were 7 points in that post, if you go back and look at it, about 7 steps to going and creating your business. And I was looking that over and I was going, where can I add a little more value here? So there was a step in there, step number 5, I was talking about marketing. And I talked about fast internet marketing, and I said there's a lot to this topic of fast internet marketing. So I thought I could add a little more meat to the bone on that topic this week. So we talk about internet marketing. I said there's a concept of slow internet marketing, which is content marketing, and fast internet marketing, which consists of paid ads that you drive into a funnel, and then with the ultimate goal of booking a phone consultation to get on the phone with your potential client and talk them through your offerings and see where that goes. So let's talk about paid ads for a minute. So on the paid ad front, when you're doing a consulting business or a coaching business like I'm working on, the best channels for really what's called B2C marketing or business to consumer marketing is going to be Facebook. Hands down, no doubts about it. It is the best place to do ads to get customers. However, there's some new things going on in Facebook with Messenger, which is the related product, where you can do ads in Messenger as well. That's a relatively new thing from Facebook. There's 2 billion active users on Facebook, so you can create audiences within Facebook ads to really target down to the customers that you want to have coming into your funnel. The next best area for B2C marketing is Instagram, which is also, like Facebook, where you can put an ad up there and drive traffic from there. And then also YouTube. So with Facebook, news feeds, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and YouTube, you can generate a lot of traffic. In fact, when you're just getting going, if you just start with Facebook newsfeed ads, that's going to give you probably more input than you can handle at the outset. So the process of setting up a funnel, now you got the ads, you know where you're going to go and how you're going to do that. You got to build a funnel. So what is a funnel? A funnel is basically putting an ad on Facebook that drives traffic into some kind of free giveaway. So you got to create some free content, something of value that people are attracted to, click on your ad, they'll download that, learn more about you. After they click on that ad, then you take them to another video which talks about maybe a product offering that you have. That's an inexpensive product, $19, $27, something like that. Something that adds value to what the customer is looking for from you, but it's a relatively low price point. Why is this important? It's important to have this in your funnel so that the prospects that ultimately make it onto a phone consultation with you have already kind of qualified themselves in the sense that they're willing to pull out their credit card and buy something that you created, as opposed to just getting a bunch of people that aren't really that committed on the phone with you and wasting your time. So then after they buy that product from you, or maybe it's a series of 2 small products that you're offering that relates to the topic that you're selling or your coaching business, your consulting business, then you have a video in your funnel that talks about giving a free phone consultation and having people book a time with you to get on the phone with you. And maybe you have also a questionnaire that you have them fill out so that you can get some information to lead into that phone consultation. Why is this important? Because getting people on the phone is the best way to find out where they're coming from, what they're looking for, and how you can best tailor your services and products to what it is that their main challenge is. And so that's the basic steps of a funnel. Get an ad up in one of those platforms we talked about, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, YouTube, and then driving that to a free giveaway, some kind of content that adds value to them. Then that goes to the next step in the funnel is a paid product, a low-cost product that is around the same content area. And then maybe a second product, then ultimately a video that talks about booking a free phone consultation with you so you can add more value to what your prospect's looking for and see what parts of your program or your offering, your consulting service best serve that potential client. And that's it. Now, the last piece that hangs a bunch of people up when they put all this stuff together is the technology. And how do I do all this tech? How do I get all this set up? And while it seems a little daunting at first, it's actually not that bad. I did a lot of research, being the engineer that I am, early on, and looked at all the different platforms and offerings and how to pull it all together. A lot of people out there are doing WordPress websites, and then they plug in ClickFunnels, which is a funnel tool, and then they maybe have ActiveCampaign or something like that for their CRM, and then they got to build in another thing called WooCommerce to handle their storefront and all this kind of stuff. A lot of moving parts and pieces. When I looked at that, I said, that's ridiculous. There's got to be an easier way. And I found a tool called Kajabi. What I love about Kajabi is it's a one-stop shop. You got everything in there. You can do your funnels. You can do your CRM. You can do your membership site, your product delivery, and it's also got your credit card clearing platform. And my blog here is hosted on Kajabi, and you can see the video is pretty awesome because it's hosted by Wistia, one of the best video hosting platforms out there. So Kajabi is kind of like a one-stop shop for putting all this stuff together. I'm going to put a link in the post for Kajabi. If you're interested, you can click on it and check it out. But if you're interested in doing this kind of marketing that I'm talking about, a B2C type of marketing, using a funnel and ads for fast internet marketing, let me know. Give me a call, drop me a line. Let's talk about what you're up to, what you're doing. Maybe we can learn together on this kind of stuff. Chew on that this week, and we'll talk to you next week. Have a great week.